In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF to your Wix site and link it to a button or text. First, open your Wix website in the editor. Head to wix.com and sign in, then choose the site you want to work on. Click Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. Give it a moment to load your pages and elements so everything is ready to adjust. Next, decide where you want visitors to find your PDF. Scroll to the section where the link belongs, like a Services, Resources, or Downloads area. This is a great place to add a short, clear description, something like download our brochure or get the full guide. You can use a button for a bold, easy to spot call to action, or turn a line of text into a link if you prefer a more subtle look. Either way, keep the label specific so visitors know exactly what they're getting. Now upload your PDF file to your site's media library. Click the Add Plus icon at the top left to open the Add panel. If you see an image option, click that and choose Upload and Import or Upload Images if a direct PDF option isn't visible. Alternatively, you can open media in your Wix dashboard and select Upload Files. Click Upload Media, then Upload from Computer, find your PDF on your device, and click Open. Wait until the upload completes. You'll see the file appear in your Wix Media or Site Files library. A quick tip: use a clean, descriptive file name so it's easy to recognize later. With the file uploaded, link your button or text to the PDF. Click the button or highlight the text you want to turn into a link and then click the link icon that appears. In the link panel, choose Document or File or Upload Document depending on what you see. Select Choose a Document, pick the PDF you just uploaded from your library, and confirm by clicking Add, Select, or Add to Page. Your element is now set to open that exact PDF. Before you publish, test everything. Click Preview, the eye icon, to open a live preview. Click your button or linked text, and the PDF should open in a new tab or download automatically, depending on the browser. Double check that the file name and the content match what you uploaded. If everything looks good, click Publish in the top right to make the change live on your site. Remember, anytime you adjust the link or replace the file, you'll need to publish again so visitors see the update. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.